Hello, hello. These are my breeding area. Yeah, they are very all active. Mhm. These are the beetles. The adult beetles. Yes. Most of the time they are active during night time. Some are laying their eggs. Oh, you see that? They are mating. Hmm. Sometimes you cannot avoid them to cannibalize, especially the new young adult. In this case, it was cannibalized by the adult. So sooner or later, they will die, and they will eat by the black adult. Okay, you see that? Plenty inside. Oh, they're all hiding. They love the hiding in the carton.